guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a couple of card shares and some new products in this shop. So I also like to let you know that our newest release will be the last release for the year. So if you didn't check that out, I'll share that quickly with you. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order, and US orders over 60 ship for free. So if you didn't check out my video, I did a coloring video on this super cute card using our Holiday Treats stamp set. Isn't this card so cute? I had so much fun creating it. And all I did was mask off these images and created this beautiful background using the Picket Fence Studio blender brushes and some Oxide inks. So I wanted to share that I did bring in the smaller sets from Picket Fence. So these are a nice price point. You get 2 of the larger blending brushes, and they are perfect for creating that soft look. And look on the edges, how it just fades off into the white. That's what I love about those brushes. So I have that size. I have the smaller size with the 6 brushes. This one is $24.99. and the one with the 2 is $12.99, and this one is $24.99, and this is the very large brush set for great, big coverage on your cards. Great for the backgrounds. This one is $24.99 as well. So you can use my coupon code for 10% off. So I'll share another card that I created. Isn't she cute? So this is from the Spa Day stamp set. So this cutie here, she's got a mask on, a beauty mask. I stamped out the word sparkle. I did a little splattering in the background. And then for this background here, I used the new stamp set, Get Our Nails Done, and just created my own designer paper. Isn't that fun? I didn't do much shading to the background. I just wanted it to look like cool piece of paper. So I didn't worry about the shading. I wanted her to be the main focal point. And then on the inside, I just stamped Take the Day Off, and then some more of the images from the Let's Get Our Nails Done set. And I'll share that with you. Here's the Holiday Treats stamp set, which is super fun because it comes with a little smiley face that you can stamp on the images. And then it has these little icons here to decorate the cups. Here is the Spa Day, which is super fun. And then these sentiments here go perfect with these 2 stamp sets here, Get Our Nails Done and the Makeup set, which these make lovely backgrounds for this Spa Day set. Here's another image that I colored up with the Spa Day girl. And this one, she's holding the little container filled with the beauty mask, but I didn't put it on her face. For this one, I made it look like this was the towel wrapped around her hair. Then I started to color up this stamp set here, which I had so much fun coloring. It's called Give Thanks, and I don't see many stamp sets that have like a Thanksgiving theme, like with turkeys and stuff, so I thought this was really cool to have in your stash. It makes some great placement cards if you wanted to, make a little placement card for everyone at your table, or just a great card inviting someone or thanking someone. It's really, really cute. So let me show you what I've colored up. There's the little turkey. Here's the girl holding the turkey platter in the roasting pan. Here's a little leaf cluster there. A little meringue pie. Cute kids or couple sitting on the pumpkins. I wanted the pumpkins to be different colors. I love seeing the different colored pumpkins, like the green and the white ones, the orange, there's yellow. I mean, oh, they're so pretty when you see them all colored different. When I go to the Edward Apple Orchard, they always have those cool pumpkins. I got a pumpkin this year that looked like a acorn, actually. It's like in the shape of this acorn, but it's like green. So I colored up some acorns, some Indian corn. I colored up some Indian corn, pumpkin pie slice, the give thanks sentiment, the apple with a little bite out of it, and these pretty leaves. I colored them in different colors so they look like fall leaves. Isn't that a super cute set? And then I have some extra acorns here to create a scene with, so I'm going to have fun making a card with this. Can't wait. And then I want to play with this one next. This one's called Magical Winter. Isn't this adorable? Love this tree with the little snow landing on the little branches. The sentiment, have a magical winter. You got a fox, a squirrel, gnomes, a little tree stump. Super, super fun. Snowball fight. How cute is this? Love the snowball, or the snow fort. Super cute. An apple picking. How cute is that? I pick you as a sentiment. You could also use this for Valentine's Day. So super fun. And then the new Oxide inks. There's 12 new colors. So these are great to create backgrounds for your cards. Dried marigold, shabby shutters, pumice stone, that's really pretty, milled lavender, really pretty, and a lot of these are like muted. I just can't wait to get them on paper to see what they look like. Weathered wood, chipped sapphire, scattered straw, festive berries, rusty hinge, pine needles, brushed corduroy, and Victorian velvet. And I think those are the last of the new colors. I'm not sure, but might be. So I will have the link down below to the shop. I'll be working on some more cards for you. The design team, I've sent off the new release, so they could share that with you and create some fun stuff for you guys to get inspired with. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!